Hi and welcome back. So Freebie Friday is here again. This time the turn of DoNotAge. This week they're giving away one of their home NAD test kits. Remember, the kit also includes a test of your zinc, magnesium and selenium levels. This kit would normally sell for $230 US. As always, shipping is 100% free. So if you're lucky enough to win, it's going to turn up at your doorstep, no charge to you whatsoever. Picking a winner 24 hours after this video is around 9 p.m. Manila time. I'll ask my son to pick a number. On the toss of a coin, I'm going to count up or down in the comment section to find out who the lucky winner is. Their name and what they need to do to claim the prize will be posted in the community tab. So it's important you've subscribed, and ideally you ring the notification bell so you know when winners are notified, but also when new videos are posted, and it will only happen in the community tab. I want to ask you to go off platform to Instagram or Telegram or any other place like that. So today's question: who was your favorite teacher and why? So for me, I've mentioned this teacher before. It was Mrs. Gray. During an English lesson, we had to go to the bookshelf and choose a book. She guided me towards this book, The Ladybird Book of the Soldier. I read the book. I was intrigued by what soldiers did. And then she went on to explain it was a great career and also they get paid for it. So that's what got me from the age of 8, only wanted to join the cadets and then the army, which from the age of 17 to 59, around a 42-year career, has stood me in good stead for my retirement. So let me know in the comments below, for the home NAD test kit of $230, who was your favorite teacher and why?